My name is Jim Fisher. I'm the manager of non-revenue water services for Echologics, a division of Mueller Co. Non-revenue water is basically the difference between the amount of water a city would produce or purchase compared to the amount of water that was billed by the customer meters. Part of it's leakage, part of it's meter error, part of it's actually operational use of water.
So when you're doing things like non-revenue water, the first thing you should always do is look at the meters to make sure that the meters are accurate, and this will then allow you to start to manage where the non-revenue water is. First at the plant, what you're putting into the distribution system, and then after that on out into making sure each meter is accurately accounting for the water that is the revenue. With the MyNet system, we're going to be able to read all the meters at the exact same time. By reading all the meters in the whole system at the same time and comparing that at the same time with what is going into the water utility or into the distribution system, what's left over is going to be classified as non-revenue water.
A lot of it has to do with water conservation today. There's more people in the country. We only have the same amount of water that we're using. And from a business case standpoint, they're looking at what is it we're losing, how much is it, and how much is that costing us.
You can't find it, you can't measure it. That's why you start with the revenue metering first.
Water loss specialists inside Echologics have conducted more than 150 water audits across the United States and across the world. We know what we're looking for. We know where things are kind of buried in data. We know when we find the holes from the analysis, where to go looking for the answers for that.
In early 2011, the Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans selected Echologics to oversee its water loss management and water pipe integrity assessment program. The city selected Echologics following a successful pilot project during which Echologics engineers accurately located water main leaks in New Orleans' service area without breaking ground or disrupting service. New Orleans leverages Echologics for a combination of ongoing flow meter maintenance, distribution network leak detection, and transmission main leak detection aimed at reducing non-revenue water. Since the beginning of the partnership, Echologics has been credited by the city for helping it to accurately and efficiently prioritize repair and replacement projects and identify points in its water system responsible for non-revenue water.
Mueller Water Products has more technologies across the organization right now to offer to the different city managers something else from their new metering, their AMR, AMI, the analytical abilities inside the software, Mueller Services Company that brings in asset management, the valve maintenance, the hydrant maintenance, Echologics bringing in condition assessment, the leak detection with state-of-the-art technology that's out here right now. That's really what Mueller Co. brings, is state-of-the-art technology. Echologics NRW services help utilities by identifying leakage that previously couldn't be identified. The new condition assessment services that they offer are non-intrusive. It's one-of-a-kind technology, and the ability to do leak detection on large diameter distribution and transmission mains, you can do it now, and it's non-intrusive, and nobody else has that technology.
It's like any other kind of data that you have out there, right? The more information you have, the more you know, the better off you're going to be to make the right and correct decisions for the water utility. It's providing the solutions that have the quickest payback to saving the water supply.